Today I'm making brownie cookies with a cake batter frosting. First in a bowl I'm going to add 1 box of brownie mix. Next I'm going to add 1 egg and 1 stick of melted butter. Mix that up until a dough forms. Next I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the cookies. I'm going to flatten out the cookie and add a golden sandwich cookie and then cover that up and place it on the baking sheet and then repeat the process with the rest of the cookies and then bake this at 350 for 12 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 1½ cups of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk. Then add 1 tablespoon of cake batter extract and mix that up until combined. Once the cookies are done baking and cooled, I added them to a tray and I have the icing in a piping bag. I'm going to pipe a swirl and then I'm going to use a knife to spread it out. Lastly, I'm going to sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles on top. Here's an up close look at the brownie cookies with the cake batter frosting.